Hi, my name is Maya and I'm a volunteer with the LGBTQ allyship. I'm here to talk to you about renters' rights. Specifically, I want to talk to you about evictions and what your rights are if you receive a notice to move out and what you can do to protect yourself. The COVID-19 eviction moratorium ended in Seattle on February 28th, 2022. What does this mean for you as a renter? In Seattle, the landlords will legally be allowed to provide eviction notices to renters. Yet there are still protections for renters in place, and you do have the right to legal counsel if you can't afford an attorney. Some of those protections are COVID-related inability to pay limits the eviction of renters who have rent due to COVID-19 issues between March 3rd, 2020, and up to 6 months after the end of the moratorium, August 29th, 2022. If you are an educator, employee, or if you have children in the Seattle public school system, this limits eviction from September to June. If you are in Seattle and have received an eviction notice and cannot afford an attorney, you can get free legal support through the Housing Justice Project. Landlords will need a certificate from a local dispute resolution center before eviction can be filed for non-payment in the court. The Dispute Resolution Center will give the landlord a certificate after mediation, and if the tenant and landlord do not come to an agreement, the Dispute Resolution Center will provide an email or call, and you will need to respond to that email within 14 days. Additionally, all rental agreements in Seattle are regulated by the Just Cause Eviction Ordinance. This requires a landlord to give you one of 16 specific causes to end your rental agreement or decline to renew your lease. The landlord must state the specific causes and facts to support the notice they serve. Here are 3 examples: repeatedly being late on your rent, violation of your rental agreement, or if your landlord wants to sell or move into the rental unit. If you have any questions or believe that your rights have been violated, you can contact the LGBTQ+ allyship at info@allyship.org. Thank you and be safe.